Garments that men love to see in a woman. If you want to dazzle a man with your appearance and you do not know what to wear, give a review to this entry and choose one of these pieces because, sure, you will not fail. Next, a list of the women's clothes that they like the most. 1. Tights or leggings. And yes, one of the clothes that men like the most are sports tights or leggings. These thin and tight pants adapt to your body and make your attributes shine to the fullest. In addition, they are fashionable and look good, depending with what they are accompanied. 2. Heeled shoes. It is no secret that men die for a woman in high heels. High-heeled shoes stylize your legs, making you look taller and mark your figure. Also, enhance your sensuality when walking. 3. High-top boots. The imagination of a man is able to fly as soon as he sees a woman in high boots. You can use them with leggings, tight pants or skirts, and you'll always look good. They came back and now they are the latest fashion. 4. Mini shorts. If you want to conquer someone or you want your boy to fall in love with you, do not hesitate to wear mini shorts. With them, you will show your legs and the opposite sex will fall at your feet. 5. Miniskirts. The miniskirt is one of the most sensual garments that exist and therefore, men love it. Do not forget to combine it with good heels or boots to enhance its effect. 6. Transparencies. Good thing transparencies are fashionable because men are fascinated. Look for clothes with subtle transparencies that hint but do not show all your humanity. 7. Tight jeans. This classic and all-time garment is never out of fashion and does not stop harvesting male compliments. Find the jean that favors you and go out to inspire love. The good thing about tight jeans is that all women look good, as long as they are the right size. 8. Dresses. I believe that in the fantasy of every man there is a woman with a super tight dress that shows her figure as it is. Sensual and erotic, a tight dress cannot miss in your wardrobe, even for a private night at home. 9. Low-cut tops. And yes, the low-cut tops could not be missing from our list. Show a little with a provocative cleavage and drive him crazy right away. 10. Underwear with lace. If you want your man unable to resist you, with this type of underwear you will achieve it. Find a set that is your size in some infamous color and that's it. And if you have garters, even better. These are just some of the clothes that they love to see in a woman. Can you think of others? And some combinations? Tell us. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.